Are you finding it hard to get motivated to start or continue exercising or sticking to your diet? A lot of time, starting is the easy part, whereas staying consistent and motivated is really the hard part. A lot of people think that in order to stay consistent and motivated, you need to find the best exercise program, or the best diet program, or even the best nutrition supplements. But actually, there's something far more important than all three of these combined, and this is what I want to reveal to you today in this video. In addition to this, I want to teach you the 3 steps that I personally use to keep myself motivated and consistent during my grueling journey from 25% body fat down to 11% fat to get my six-pack abs and improve my high cholesterol, all during my mid-30s as a busy father of 2 and full-time lawyer. So if I could do it, you most certainly can. So definitely stay until the end to catch my free tips. So let's jump straight in. Okay, so you must be wondering what else could be more important than the best exercise routine, the best eating plan, and the best nutrition supplements, right? Well, let me share a story which explains what this is. Imagine you are Lewis Hamilton, the world champion F1 driver in the world, getting ready for the next world champion race. In this world, the best exercise program, the best eating plan, and the best nutrition supplements are like his F1 supercar, the best equipment in the world, his pit stop team, the best support system, and the most advanced engine oils and fuels that would take his car from 0 to 100 in 2 seconds. But imagine you as the best F1 driver in the world suddenly had memory loss overnight before the race, and you could no longer remember or understand why you are racing or why you need to win this championship. This means that even a world champion like you, with all the best tools and support system at your disposal, will not be able to find the will to win if the driver does not have a clear vision of what he or she wants to achieve or why it's important that he must complete the race. At this point, even the best equipment and support system in the world cannot help you. In other words, the best exercise routine, the best eating plan, the best nutrition supplements are only as good as what's here. Your mindset, your why, because everything starts from here, and you need to have a clear vision of where you want to go and why it's so important to you that you need to succeed and get it done. Because what matters on your health and fitness journey, or any other journey in your life, whether it's entrepreneurship, learning a new language, or raising a child, is not the energy to start that matters, but the energy to continue and staying motivated and never giving up. Because it is exactly at these most painful, most boring, and most challenging moments is when you start doubting or questioning yourself. Can I really succeed? I'm not seeing results yet. Why am I doing this? Eating all these meals every day. I could be having pizza with the kids. Temptation will creep in, and it's at these moments that you need your why, your mindset to keep you, get you back on track and find the energy to fight on. Your why, your mindset, your fighting spirit is where you dig deep to find your energy, to keep that, to take that extra step, to do that extra rep or eat that extra meal exactly when it matters. I won't give up because I'm not doing this for myself but for my kids. I'm too important to the family for this to fail. This is what you need to be thinking, and that's what your mindset will give you. As a pro tip, usually your why will be 1,000,000 times stronger if it relates to someone or something beyond yourself. So if you haven't worked it out yet, the most important thing, which is even more important than exercise, eating, and supplements combined, is your why. Your reason for doing this and putting yourself through this. It needs to be stronger than all the reasons for not doing it. So success in health and fitness is actually all in the mind, not in the physical. So what are my tips for achieving this winning mindset? I suggest doing 3 things. Number 1, have a clear vision of your why. Visualize what you actually want to achieve and why it's so important to you, whether it's a six-pack like for me, or you want to see your cholesterol numbers back to healthy levels, or you want to feel more energetic for work or sports like in your 20s, or you just want to be the fittest and youngest looking mom or dad at your child's school. Whatever it is, you must have that clear in your mind, and even better if you can write it down or tell someone, so that, like a ship at sea, the captain needs to know where the destination is, what is it, and why it's so important that you must reach this destination. And this will keep you motivated towards your goal. Believe it or not, a lot of people exercise or eat healthy, but without any idea what their end goal is. This will not motivate you enough, especially when you start to feel lost. For me, my vision was clear. I wanted to get that six pack at least once in my lifetime, a bucket list item, but not only for the looks, but proof to myself and all the mums and dads around me that it's possible to stay young and healthy in your mid-30s and set the best example for your kids, to be a role model and inspiration for other mums and dads. So I probably have replayed that vision in my head a million times. So that's how strong your vision and why must be. Number 2, set a deadline. This forces you to take action and to be accountable. Whether it is an upcoming beach holiday or your next body check, you need an urgent deadline which will kick your butt into action, not give yourself excuses and keep you consistent. For me, I set a date for my photo shoot for my six pack, so definitely I could not turn up looking not ready. This definitely gave me urgency and pressure, but in a good way, because it always kept me on my toes. I would always be counting, oh crap, I've only got 2 months left, better ramp up the exercise or eat cleaner. It's a positive type of motivation. Otherwise, if you allow yourself 9 months or 1 year to achieve something, you know you're going to leave it to the last minute. Finally, have accountability with milestones or a coach. This means breaking down your goal into smaller bite-sized milestones, either weekly or monthly, so that you can track your progress and know whether you're on track or require adjustments. This can help build confidence and accountability for you by ensuring that you're following a proven action plan. I'm a coach myself, so I can definitely see the benefit that it has on my students to have a person constantly holding them accountable on a regular weekly basis or monthly basis. But if you have a proven action plan with dates and body statistics, it's also possible to achieve accountability in that way. Because without tracking progress or accountability, it's easy to lose motivation or consistency, and maybe for the wrong reasons. For me, I knew how much body fat and muscle I needed to lose and gain on a weekly and monthly basis, together with my health stats. So this definitely kept me motivated as I tracked my stats on a weekly basis and saw that they were moving in the right direction. So I hope this video has provided you some insight into the mindset side of the health and fitness world, and it will help you to either start or stay motivated and consistent on your own journey. If you're looking for more in-depth training from me on how I lowered my body age by 10 years over 90 days, got back my 25-year-old body, and consequently cut my dad belly to a six-pack without starving myself, without doing crazy amount of exercise, or without spending a lot of time each day, I'm doing a free masterclass this week which explains my whole journey in detail. You can access it at bit.ly/stayyoung/YouTube. I'll put that in the link description so it's easy to click. As I always say, I believe that being a parent really doesn't mean we can't prioritize our health, our fitness, and our looks. Indeed, our main priority in life should be to let our kids see the best version of us, because in the end, it all starts with us. I hope you found this video helpful. Give the free tips a try, and I'll see you in the next video.